Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how exactly to delete rows in Google Sheet. Whether you are removing a single row, multiple rows, or cleaning up your data in bulk, let's start simple. To delete one row, just click right on the row number on the left side. For example, if I want to delete row 5, I'll click number 5, then click delete row from the menu, and that's it, it's gone. Now, let's say you want to delete multiple rows at once. Click and drag to select them like rows 3 to 7. Then right click on the selection and choose delete rows 3-7. Easy, right? What if your sheet is messy with blank rows in between? You can manually scroll and delete them. And that's it. Now you know how to delete rows in Google Sheet like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips.